How to check time and date of any message in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook Messenger application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on any of the profile or the chats that you want to send or check the time and date of the messages. So as you can see, I have very few messages on this profile. So what I'm going to do is here, as you can see the date and the time precisely over here. But if you do not get to see such time and date of any message, what you can simply do is make a long press on the particular message and then tap on the more section at the bottom right corner. As I select on more, you can see the option of details, and as I tap on details, you'll be able to see the option of the time and date over here. So simply tap on details, and here you'll be able to see the time and date of the message. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.